In 2008, a Texas construction worker named Marcelino Nunez opened a foreign exchange trading account with $300. He had no background in finance, no wealthy mentors, and no specialized education. What he did have was a single, strict system that he learned completely and practiced obsessively every day. Now, I am not going to promise that you will make $1 million overnight. That would be irresponsible. To succeed, you have to stop treating the market like a casino and start treating it like a trade. Marcelino's success shows that wealth in this market doesn't come from lucky guesses. It comes from following a repeatable, logic-based system that works the same way every single day. First, you have to understand what you are actually trading. The Forex market handles $7.5 trillion in volume every single day, and it stays open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Out of all the currencies available, beginners only need to focus on the two most reliable pairs: the euro traded against the US dollar and the British pound traded against the US dollar. This animated timeline shows a full 24-hour period, highlighting a specific 4-hour window between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. Eastern Time. This is when the massive London and New York trading sessions overlap. By treating trading like a focused part-time job strictly during those 4 hours, you capture the cleanest and most active opportunities without staring at a screen all day. To find those opportunities, you need to read the price charts. We track market movement using visual blocks called candlesticks, which simply show exactly how price moved during a specific set period, like 1 hour. This diagram shows a candlestick building, labeling its open, high, low, and close. A green body means buyers won. Red means sellers took control. The thin wicks represent the actual struggle, places where price was pushed back by the opposing side. Price repeatedly bounces off a bottom support floor where large buyers step in and gets rejected at the upper resistance ceiling. Sometimes heavy selling breaks downward through support, but watch as it climbs back. That old support floor flips, acting as a new resistance ceiling. A single candlestick on its own is just a piece of data, but when a green buyer's candle forms exactly at one of these proven historical zones, it becomes a powerful signal to trade. We can turn that chart reading into clear rules. Our first setup uses a simple moving average line. This line tracks the middle ground of the price over the last 50 hours. Strong trends tend to pull back toward this average line before moving higher. You simply wait for the price to drop down and touch the sloping line. If a green candlestick forms right there, you enter the trade. Our second setup is the support bounce. Large financial institutions place massive orders at very specific historical price levels, and we can track them. When the price drops to touch a proven historical support level, you wait for a green signal candle to finish forming. Once it closes, you simply enter your trade the moment the next candle opens. The third strategy focuses on specific times of day. Every night, right before the major European banks open, the market often quiets down and moves sideways in a very tight range. We draw a tight horizontal bounding box around the highest and lowest prices reached during the 1 a.m. hour. Right after 3 a.m. Eastern, when heavy London volume hits, wait for the price to break out. Whichever direction it breaks free, enter your trade. By strictly following these rules, you can safely ride along with the heavy flow of institutional money, letting the largest banks in the world push your trades into profit. You can memorize every strategy perfectly and still lose all your money if you skip this next step. Risk management determines whether you survive in this business. To protect your capital, you must calculate your position size before every trade, strictly limiting yourself to never risking more than 1% of your total account balance on a single setup. You pair that strict limit with a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. That means if you risk $10 on a trade, your minimum target must be $20 in profit. This balancing scale shows why that math is so protective. You can have 5 small losing trades on one side, and they are completely outweighed by just 3 double-sized winning trades on the other. Mathematics, not emotion, is the engine of a profitable trader. Proper risk sizing ensures you can easily survive a streak of bad trades and still end the month making money. Let's set realistic expectations for your income. Professional traders do not try to double their money in a week. They aim for a reliable 3 to 8% return every single month. You start by proving you can hit those numbers consistently on a free practice account. Once your daily habits are locked in, you can take a skill test with organizations that provide professional trading capital. If you pass the test, these firms let you manage their money, sometimes up to $100,000, and you keep the majority of the profit you generate. To get there, your daily routine has to be incredibly consistent. Every morning at 7 a.m., you check the economic calendar to avoid trading during unpredictable news releases. From 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., you actively watch your charts. If a valid setup appears and meets every strict rule on your checklist, you enter the trade. When the clock strikes noon, you close the laptop and walk away. Turning a tiny starting balance into significant wealth requires patience and a strict daily routine. In 2008, a construction worker in Texas began trading with a $300 account. He focused on slow, systematic growth. 10 years later, his account reached $2.3 million. Most retail traders struggle to replicate that outcome. They often target superficial price movements and lack the starting capital required to turn modest percentage gains into a living wage. The modern market has removed the barrier of personal wealth. You can now access professional-level funding without risking your own life savings. Reaching this level of income depends on 3 requirements: institutional market knowledge, a strict risk management system, and access to prop firm capital. Financial independence in Forex is the direct result of mastering and executing a systematic institutional process. Central banks and hedge funds manage positions so large they cannot be filled with a single market order. Instead, they must find areas of high liquidity, clusters of orders that allow them to buy or sell without driving the price against their own position. This is a liquidity sweep. To fill a massive buy order, institutions drive the price below a key support level to trigger clusters of retail stop losses. Each of those red dots represents a sell order that provides the liquidity the institution needs to buy. To trade alongside them, you wait for the pierce below support. Once a bullish candle closes back above that level, as shown by this green marker, the institution has filled its order and the price is free to move upward. This aggressive buying often leaves behind a fair value gap, a structural imbalance across 3 candles. Price frequently returns to fill the middle of this gap before continuing in the institutional direction. By learning to spot these structural anomalies, you move away from being the liquidity for larger players and start riding their momentum. Institutional knowledge is irrelevant if you do not have a defensive system to protect your account from a single bad decision. The fastest way to lose capital is by trading live before you have developed mechanical habits. Most beginners bypass the demo phase, resulting in losses that could be avoided with simple practice. Professional risk management relies on 2 rules. Never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade, and never enter the market without a written plan. You must also track the economic calendar. High-impact news events like non-farm payrolls create price spikes that ignore technical levels and can liquidate a position in seconds. Capital preservation is the ultimate metric of a professional. Surviving your early mistakes is the only way to stay long enough to achieve consistency. Proprietary trading firms provide the capital that retail traders lack. These companies offer accounts ranging from $10,000 to $200,000 to those who pass an evaluation, allowing you to keep up to 90% of the profits. James, a warehouse worker in Houston, used a systematic scaling approach to move from a $10,000 challenge to over $4,000 in monthly income. In Chicago, Sarah adapted the London Breakout strategy to fit her schedule. She used automated orders to trade morning volatility before her workday began. Marcus, an IT manager in Atlanta, prioritized education for 4 months before placing a live trade, proving a disciplined approach works at any stage. Keisha in Miami succeeded by specializing in a single currency pair and indicator, demonstrating that mastery of one setup is more valuable than understanding many. Each of these traders followed the same progression: extensive demo trading, strict strategic specialization, and using prop firm capital to multiply their baseline results. This is your 90-day path from beginner to placing your first trade on a funded account. The first 30 days are for education. Use this time to learn candlestick mechanics and establish the habit of checking the daily economic calendar. Days 31 through 60 focus on strategy development. You must execute and journal 40 practice trades on a demo account to verify your edge. The final 30 days serve as a readiness assessment. If your demo performance is consistently profitable, you can move to a low-cost prop firm challenge to access institutional leverage. Professional trading requires you to think in probabilities. focus entirely on your process, knowing that individual trade outcomes are statistical events. The construction worker in Texas built his wealth using only his personal savings over a decade. Today, this systematic approach allows you to trade significantly larger pools of capital through prop firms. Your progress over the next 90 days depends on deciding to start the education phase now. Subscribe to Real Money USA and begin with the first lesson today.